Imagine your garage door suddenly refusing to open, leaving you stranded and frustrated. This is a common nightmare. The culprit? Often, it's a cable slipping off the drum due to imbalanced tension within the garage door system. Understanding why cables misalign can empower homeowners to prevent stressful inconveniences in their daily routines. Several factors lead to this disarray, starting with broken or weak garage door springs impacting cable tension. When garage door springs weaken, the resulting uneven tension causes cables to slip off their designated drums. Furthermore, improper cable tension, too loose or too tight, can lead to premature wear and operational failure. Misaligned or damaged drums also play a significant role, preventing cables from wrapping correctly and causing detachment. Obstructions in the tracks can block smooth movement, forcing cables off their intended path and creating significant issues. In coastal areas like Panama City, the harsh weather accelerates deterioration, increasing the risk of cable failures. Don't wait for disaster. Seek professional help when you notice signs of cable misalignment to ensure safe operation.